Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the Roblox TDS Discord server. So just load up Discord, and near the end of your server list right here we need to press on the plus icon, and then where it says have an invite already, you want to select join a server, and this is what you type. This is the invite link. You type discord.gg/ and TDS. Okay, so discord.gg/TDS, and you click on join server. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have to read through the rules. So just click on this and it will tell you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So just click on complete, read through all of these rules, and after you have read through them, select this I have read and agree to the rules. Click on submit, and let's see if this requires verification. Yes, it does. So we need to verify using Rover. I have a video on this. I'm going to leave it as a pinned comment right here under this video. So all you have to do, if you already have Rover set up, you click on update my roles. Give it some time to load up. It will tell you that the interaction failed, but actually you will have verified your rows. And now if we go to random channel, as you can see, we can type right here. So that's how you join the TDS Discord server, Roblox TDS. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.